In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Webflow plugin. This process will seamlessly integrate your designs from Figma into Webflow, making your web development process more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without the need to write code from scratch. Simply head over to webflow.com in your browser. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Webflow account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you've already done this, just go ahead and click on the Login button at the top of the page. Enter your credentials and get logged in. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for all your projects. It's important to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it will be where you manage and integrate your various projects. Now, from the dashboard, click on the project that you want to work on. If you're new to Webflow, just select a test project to ensure you're comfortable with the process before applying it to your live work. As you select your project, you will notice a tab for apps. Click on it to view all the available integrations and plugins that you can utilize. This is where you'll find integrations that can elevate your design and development workflow by connecting different platforms. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Figma integration. You'll find it easily by scrolling through the apps list or using the search feature. Click on Figma, and this will initiate the setup process for the plugin. The integration will prompt you for authorization, asking for permission to connect your Figma account with Webflow. This step is crucial, so you can seamlessly pull your designs into Webflow. Grant the necessary permissions, ensuring your Figma designs can be accessed and manipulated through Webflow. Once authorized, you can start importing your Figma designs directly into your Webflow projects. This plugin will allow you to take advantage of Webflow's design and layout capabilities while working with your Figma designs, significantly reducing the time and effort in coding designs from scratch. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to smoothly importing and working with your designs in Webflow. Remember, taking the time to understand the integration deeply will pay off in terms of efficiency and productivity in your design process. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating stunning, customized web experiences with the power of Figma and Webflow combined. Happy designing!